Okay, for this class, we're going to use a tool called diigo. First, we need to go to the website called www.diigo.com. And if you haven't got an account of this website, you need to sign up here. A free account is enough. And then you type in your personal information and then click on Create Account. So after creating an account, we can sign in here. After signing in, you can see this is my library. Here it shows all the information, all the web pages you shared and you bookmarked. And in my outliners, it has different outliners in which you can organize the web pages you saved. And in my groups, it shows all the groups you are in. For example, we'll create a group for this class and everybody can share information in this group. You can see everyone else's posts and you can see everyone else's comments. After this, we'll add a tool to the Chrome browser. For diigo, it's called diigo Web Collector. You click on diigo Web Collector, and then you can add it to Chrome here. After installing it, we can see a small blue button on the toolbar of the browser. It's the diigo Web Collector, and then we can use it to annotate and add sticky notes to web pages. For example, let's open a web page in Stack Overflow. Suppose you have a question when you read this web page. You don't understand a paragraph. Then you click on the button and you choose Annotate. You click on the pen and you can highlight a paragraph, or you can highlight a sentence, a word, or anything. And then you can add sticky notes to this highlight text. For example, you don't understand what this means. You can add notes here. So the private here means you are making notes, you are taking notes to remind yourself. You can see, have a question here. So when you read this passage again in the future, you know you have a question here before. And then also you can share this to a group. For example, you don't understand what it means. You save it first, and then you can share it to the class group. You can choose a group to share, and if you click on Post, this question is posted into the group. For example, let's open the group. And you can see the question here. So if your classmates see your question, they can click on the page and they can add comments here to your question. In addition to click on the toolbar, you can always select the text first, and then choose the first button to highlight the text, and choose the second button to add sticky notes to it. And in this way, the sticky notes will always accompany the highlighted text. And the delete button here can cancel the highlight and annotation. This can be used when you have a question to ask, and it can also be used when you are explaining something to your classmates. For example, if you see somebody posting a problem in PS forum and you found a great solution in Stack Overflow, you can highlight the most relative parts in this web page and share it to your classmate. Under this situation, you can also use Share This Page. If you click on this, and you can share the annotated link. Let's try copying this link and pasting it in the browser. So we can see everything regarding this web page, including the highlights and the sticky notes here, including the private message you took before.